Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're pitting the Nikon 55-300mm zoom lens against the Canon RF 35mm macro.
Doesn't it feel a bit like comparing a long-distance runner to a detail-oriented artist? Absolutely.
The Nikon B00R1MXPFW screams wildlife photography, right? That 55-300mm range is impressive. But is it too much zoom for everyday shooting, like family photos or street scenes? Imagine being at a soccer game and zooming in to capture your kid's winning goal from the bleachers. Or think about travel photography, pulling those distant mountain peaks right into sharp focus. That reach, need more tempting.
The Canon B088KN71D3, though, is a different beast entirely. It's a compact 35mm prime lens designed for Canon's RF mount. It's all about portability and, of course, that macro capability. Perfect for getting up close and personal.
True, but let's dive into what really matters for our listeners. What are the real differences here? Okay, so the Nikon's 5.5x telephoto zoom is the big selling point. We're talking about bringing subjects almost 6 times closer. Plus, it has vibration reduction, VR2, to help steady those long-range shots. Think clearer images, even handheld.
Good point about the VR, but I'm wondering about sharpness, especially at 300mm. And at 1.52 pounds, is it going to feel like a brick after a few hours of shooting? Also, it's a refurbished DX lens, so it's designed for crop sensor cameras. Right. Now, the Canon's macro feature lets you focus incredibly close, at just 0.56 feet. Imagine capturing the delicate veins on a flower petal, or the intricate compound eyes of an insect. Plus, it has image stabilization too, offering up to 5 stops of shake correction.
Oh, that's cool. But what about everyday versatility? If you want to grab a quick shot of your friends at dinner, is 35mm wide enough? Or will you be constantly backing up? And with only 10 reviews, is it a gamble?
Here's the crux of it. Both are renewed, which is Amazon's term for refurbished, so you're getting a potentially good deal and supporting sustainability. But they serve completely different purposes. The Nikon is for distance. The Canon is for detail.
Exactly. The Nikon is about compressing perspective and isolating distant subjects, while the Canon is about revealing textures and patterns you might otherwise miss.
So if you dream of capturing wildlife, sports, or landscapes from afar, the Nikon is a solid, budget-friendly choice, especially if you already have a Nikon DSLR. But if you're fascinated by the tiny details of the world and want a lightweight lens for your Canon RF mount camera, the Canon delivers stunning close-ups.
Ultimately, both lenses are great tools, but they cater to different photographic passions and camera systems. Now, go out there, consider what you love to shoot, and capture your world. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.